Welcome to Easy English Stories. Today, you will hear a gentle story about fear, courage, and the story of Arlen and the moon.
In that forest lived a young wolf named Arlen. Every animal knew him, but nobody knew his secret. Arlen had a secret. Every night, he looked at the moon. And every night, he felt afraid. He did not know why. The moon never hurt him, but his heart beat faster every time he saw it. So he always hid behind the same old tree. From there, he watched the moon carefully. The moon looked very big, much bigger than the trees. Sometimes he thought the moon was watching him. And that idea made him even more afraid. One night, something unexpected happened. A soft sound came from above.
Arlen looked up. Arlen looked up.
An owl was sitting on a branch. An owl was sitting on a branch. The owl looked calm, very calm. Arlen hesitated, but he walked forward. Each step felt heavy, but he did not stop. Finally, he reached the tree. The owl was above him. The owl said softly, "Tell me what you see." "I see the moon, and it is following me." The owl shook his head.
The moon does not follow you.
"Then why does it move when I move?" asked Arlen. The owl smiled. "You are only seeing your fear." Arlen stayed silent. He tried to understand. The owl said, "Fear can change what you see. But fear is not real. It is only a feeling." Arlen looked at the ground for a long time. Then he looked up again. The moon was still there, but something felt different. For the first time, Arlen did not run. Arlen closed his eyes. He took a deep breath, and he stopped thinking. When he opened his eyes again, the moon was not chasing him. It was only shining for everyone.
And Arlen understood. Fear is not outside. Fear is inside them stories.